This is a V-twin engine, so there's 2 spark plugs. There's one here and one directly on the other side. This is a good thing to do once a year. It's not too expensive to do, and it's very easy. You're just going to pull your boot off. That now you can access your spark plug. And then we're going to use a 5/8 deep socket to unscrew this. You need the deep socket because you have to go over the plug. But we're going to get that in there, line it up. Loosened it up. And you can probably just hand turn it the rest of the way. And here is our old plug. And what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to read the number on the plug. That way you know which plug to get. But these are Champion plugs. We're going to grab the new one and put it in. We got our new plug here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check the spark plug gap. If the gap here is too small or too large, you're going to have problems with your engine. So the recommendation for this engine is a 0.03 gap. I have a spark plug checker right here, and you basically just kind of line this up. And I already measured this one out. We're going to get it to the 0.03 measurement. Obviously, you have bigger measurements here. That gap's not going to fit, but we can conveniently check the gap here. So we're correct on this. If you had to open it up or tighten it, just be careful here. You don't want to touch that electrode head there. You just gently, you can use the tool here itself. Most of these have a way to open these up, or you could tap it down if you have to close it. But our gap is good. So now we're going to thread the plug back in. Make sure we line it up right. All right, we got it hand tight in there. Now you want to be careful, you don't want to over tighten this. So once this thing is kind of snug, tighten it another half turn. And then you're just going to put your boot back on, make sure that's nice and snug, and you're good to go. Now we're checking the other plug here. Now I'm getting some resistance a little bit before the 0.3, so I'm just going to gently open that up. And we got it right about to that 0.3 mark. Just like I said, be careful of the electrode there. And then the other side, it's in the same spot. You're just gonna do the same process that you did on the other side.